Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever Googled something like Canva versus Figma or best alternatives to Notion? If you have, you're not just browsing. You're actively looking for a better option. That moment, right there, is high intent. You're ready to decide. You're ready to try something new. And you're not the only one doing it. Tens of thousands of people run those searches every day. That's why I was excited to find a tool like Altpage.ai. Altpage is an AI-powered platform designed to help you own that high-intent traffic. Let me break it down with a real-world scenario. Say you've built a productivity app. You're competing with the likes of Notion, Evernote, and ClickUp. You know, people are searching things like Notion versus Evernote, best alternatives to ClickUp, Evernote versus who scrolls your brand. Instead of writing those comparison pages by hand, Altpage does it all for you in a few simple steps. First, it does the research. Altpage pulls search data to identify which competitor keywords are worth targeting, not just random suggestions. It finds real phrases that people are typing into Google. Think Trello versus ClickUp, Monday.com alternatives, Airtable versus Notion. It prioritizes based on search volume and buyer intent. It even recommends opportunities you might have missed. Next, it builds the entire page. We're talking full-length, data-backed comparisons. Altpage highlights your product's strengths, feature by feature, pricing, integrations, ease of use, support, mobile experience, you name it. And it doesn't just write generic fluff. These pages come with real structure, side-by-side feature tables, pros and cons, use case breakdowns, comparison graphics, SEO-optimized headings, tailored CTAs to drive signups or trials. And the best part? You don't have to write a single line yourself. The content reads natural, informative, and persuasive. Plus, you can customize the tone: professional, friendly, competitive, neutral, whatever fits your brand. Then comes SEO. Altpage isn't just writing content, it's optimizing it under the hood. It takes care of all the technical stuff that actually helps pages rank. Clean H1s and H2s, keyword-rich metadata, optimized URLs, internal links, schema markup, semantic HTML. You'd usually need an SEO specialist for that. Altpage bakes it in automatically. Once your page is ready, you can publish it instantly. It works with any website platform: WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Bolt, New, even fully custom-coded sites. You don't need a developer. You don't need to figure out layout or formatting. It's plug and play. Just hit publish, and the page goes live. You can literally build an entire SEO moat around your competitors in a few hours. Pages like Notion versus Google your product, best ClickUp alternatives in 2025, Outguard your brand versus Asana, why switch from Trello to Haas your brand. And here's the kicker. Altpage doesn't stop there. It also tracks performance. You'll see which pages are ranking, where your traffic is coming from, what keywords are driving conversions. And if something needs a refresh, you can regenerate new content with a click. No editing required. Bonus features? Oh yeah. Altpage also supports multi-language generation for global targeting, A/B testing, different versions of pages, dynamic content updating based on SEO trends, custom branding and styling to match your site design, lead capture widgets you can embed inside the page. So instead of letting competitors control the conversation and win the traffic, you show up first. You position your product exactly how you want. And you do it at scale. To me, this is one of those tools that instantly clicks. If you're serious about content marketing, especially in a competitive space, Altpage is like having an in-house SEO content team on autopilot. Because every day your future customers are searching for alternatives to your competitors. The only question is, are you going to show up? If not, your opportunity vanishes. If yes, you win that moment. Give Altpage.ai a try. I dropped the link below so you can check it out for yourself. And if you're in SaaS or just trying to grow organic traffic without spending weeks creating content, this might just be your new unfair advantage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.